Hello, in this video, we are gonna reset our cPanel password. In URL type pakish.net, then enter. It will take you to website. Here, you see portal option in menu. Click on drop down. You can see portal home option. Click on it. It will take you to portal. Here you see account option on right, top. Click on it, you see login option. Click on it, it will take you to portal login page. Put your email and password of your portal. Check the CAPTCHA, then click on login. It will take you to your domain portal. On left side bar you can see services option. Click on it. Here you can see my services option. Click on it. It will take you to your active services. Here you can see status option, then click on active below. It will take you to active service. On right side bar, you can see change password option. Click on it. You will redirected to change password section. Type new password here and confirm new password. Click on save changes. Here you can see your password successfully changed. I hope this will help you. Thank you.
This is your beep.